What's up, everyone? This is Emilio with Quick Property Solutions, and today I am in Detroit. We are working on a fourplex. This is actually coming from a YouTube follower who reached out to us, asked for a quote. They agreed to the quote, and so today we're day one. We are renovating two of the lower units. Two of them were already occupied, but we're renovating two of the units, and we are converting them from one-bedroom units, and we're going to be adding a second bedroom to each one. There's like a dining room area that they want to convert into a second bedroom. So just wanted to show the process along the way, and just show you our work, show what we do. And again, if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me show you inside. All right, so this is this unit right here. They already started on the demo. I got here a little late today, but just to give you a layout of the land of what we are doing. This is a one bedroom. They're going to be doing section 8. You got the original wood windows here. We were here 2 days ago. We measured and ordered the windows already. So all the windows will be vinyl windows. And they wanted to try and refurbish these windows to kind of save money on it. The only issue is with section 8, you're going to want to have a screen. So what we pretty much told them, like, look, we can make a custom screen, but it's going to be costly because it's a custom screen. No one makes screens for these windows anymore. And you're going to just take all this time to refurbish this window to just make sure it opens and closes, all the paint is scraped off. At the end of the day, for a little bit more investment, you can get a brand new window with the screen already involved, so included. So that's what they decided to go with. Right here, we're walking to like a living room area. This is a dining room area. These are both identical units as well. Right here you have the kitchen with cabinets that aren't brand new, but they're salvageable. And then the bathroom. You know what? I didn't get a chance to film the bathroom before we gutted it. I do have a picture of it that I'll post on here. But pretty much what it was a tub, and what they wanted to do was like have a pipe going at the top and then have a shower come out here. And just, we told them, you know, it's probably best to just redo the whole thing. So tear out the tub, have a tub, a shower, new vanity, new toilet would be a lot better. Also, we're gonna put new subflooring in here. I believe this was like concrete. You know, this subfloor is very weak. It's just best to just reinforce it, make it brand new. So yeah, all that concrete is gone, all that subfloor is gone. We're putting new subfloor down. Here is the one only bedroom here. And again, not going to be doing much here. You know, the budget wasn't very high, so we're not going to be, you know, putting in new trim or anything like that. I think the most we're going to be doing is replacing putting new doors in. We're getting a new vinyl window. I believe we're going to get a new light fixture. Light fixtures aren't that expensive anyways, so I believe there's going to be a new light fixture. So here's what we're going to be doing. So there's a wall here, obviously, and then there's this big opening. So the goal here is we're just gonna put a hallway straight down the middle. So, you know, you see some ducting here. This ducting goes all the way to the top unit. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to move this ducting. There's also a vent down here. So we're just gonna have to kind of move the ducting around so it could get to the top. Gonna have to get kind of creative. But the idea is to have the hallway here. You're gonna drywall up this wall, and then this hallway will be here. And then what you're gonna do is we're gonna frame a wall here, put a door here, and this will be another bedroom here. So that way they can increase rents. Instead of having one bedroom, it's a two bedroom. So, and then let me take you to the second unit. I'll show you what it looks like because we haven't done with the wall yet. So this is what it looks like. So again, vinyl flooring, paint. We're gonna put frame up and drywall this wall, open this space here, and we have to move the ducting. So here's all the demo from the bathroom. Come over here. See, we're already starting to demo all the plaster, and that's the lath underneath the plaster, so that all has to go. Let me see this. Yeah, that's Yeah, that's pretty heavy, dude. That's pretty heavy. Same thing with the kitchen. Cabinets, according to the budget, cabinets, we're just gonna have to reuse them, paint them, make them look newer. New faucet, new sink. I believe they're gonna reuse the countertop. Here is the other bathroom. We're doing the same thing. All of that weight from the concrete, now that it's gone, it's gonna be much more lightweight. New toilet, new vanity, tub and shower, and then we'll let the drywall, the top up there. Seems to be a big hole. And then here's the other bedroom. We are in day 24 of this rehab. Right now they're, patching all the holes in the walls. We have flooring in, so it's starting to look a lot better. And now we have new windows in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this camera around so you can see the progress. All right, here you go. So it's definitely starting to come along. The flooring definitely makes it look updated. You can see here that they're starting to do a lot of the patches on the walls, fill up a lot of the cracks. We do have some trim here. It's kind of cool. They actually wanted to match the existing trim, so they kind of custom made a trim here to match the trim that was already there. And this is a big step moving forward. These windows. So one of the good things about the windows is with this project, the owner just wanted to refurbish the existing original windows, and then they wanted to do a section 8. However, with section 8, you're gonna need window screens on the windows. And I told them the issue they're gonna have is you're gonna custom make, I believe each unit has 9 windows. You're gonna custom make, we're doing 2 units, so 18 windows. You might as well just buy a brand new window, because all the windows come with screens anyway. So all the windows are in, which means the bathroom should be done too. I haven't gone through the whole unit yet, but the bathroom tile should be finished. But yeah, look at this flooring, it's looking pretty good. Go in here, and look at these windows. These are pretty big windows, actually. Drywall is up over here. These are gonna be donated and removed. I don't think they work anymore. Got flooring into the kitchen. And with the kitchen, what we were gonna do is, again, new windows here in the kitchen. We're keeping the cabinets. The cabinets are actually okay. We're just going to pretty much paint them and make the place look new. We do have new countertop on here, so we're gonna new countertop, paint the cabinets, make them look new. All the framing is done too. I think I covered that in the last video. I can't remember or not. So all the framing, a lot of them were stuck and they couldn't close. Like that door here, this door here too. All of that is now fixed. Bathroom, yeah, there you go. So we got a frosted window, looking pretty good. And now the tile is all the way to the top. And this is really affordable tile. It's only $1.99 a square foot. I actually think the price went up because it's a pretty popular tile. Polished, I think it's Carrera. It's 12 by 24, Home Depot. So it's looking pretty good. So let's go take a look at unit 2. See how that's coming along. Yeah, so pretty good. A lot less garbage over here on this side too. There you go. So looking pretty good. Again, all the windows are replaced. Flooring is done. They're putting in the trim now. Let's take a look in here. Still a lot of debris in here. They have to get rid of this. This bedroom's coming along pretty nicely. Looks like they still have to replace the windows for this bedroom. Flooring all the way through the kitchen, pretty good. Oh, that looks great. Okay, so windows here. And then In the last video, it was really, the cabinets were really tall. I mean, honestly, you had to get on a ladder just to store stuff away. And now I could reach in. Oh crap, there's stuff in here. I could reach in and just grab stuff that I need. So you don't need a ladder to get all your stuff. So it's a lot more convenient for the tenant. Got the new countertop in. Again, we're gonna paint the cabinets. And then looks like they just drywalled it. And they're gonna just mud it and they're just gonna tape it up. Alright, let's go in here. Alright, so the window's installed. Looks like the tile work isn't finished yet, but great progress though. Great progress. Oh, and this framing had to be replaced too. I guess the framing was really bad. It was literally like that. That's how off it was. Same thing with this framing here too. They fixed all this framing so the doors open and close smoothly. Again, it was off by I think about 1.5 inches. Still need to replace the window here. So it looks like they did more of the windows on Unit 1. Unit 2 still has some work to be done, but it's coming along. So we are near completion date. It has been day 60. It took us 60 days to renovate the 2 units, and then we also painted the exterior. As you can see, we power washed the front deck and stained it, so it's got that nice curb appeal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this camera around. One of the units is completely done, and the second one is almost near complete. It should be able to be listed and potentially rented out, and hopefully the owner will get this place rented out and make some good cash flow. So let me turn this camera around so you can check out our work. All right, we are in day 69 of this renovation and we are all done. So it took us 69 days to do this. We did 2 units. We converted 2 1-bedroom units into 2 bedrooms, and then we started adding, the owner did have some additional projects that we had to get finished up. So we had Section 8 come through here and we had to make some additional repairs. And then we did some other stuff too that the owner wanted to increase the curb appeal of the property. So one of the additional renovations was we did paint the lower half of the building. We added mulch, got rid of a lot of the existing bushes and cleaned up the front. And then we also cut the shrubbery in the back and just cleared it out and just made it nice and clean for all the tenants. It just shows a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this camera around and you guys can see the finished product. So big difference. There's a big difference from before. We power washed and stained the front deck. Again, we cleaned up the front, got rid of the existing bushes and put all new mulch. And then what we did, we got some extension downspouts to push the water away from the foundation. So you see some here. And then all of this was like leaves and grass and a lot of junk from the tenants in there. So we cleaned all that up and then cleared all this here. We have the backyard here, and there was 4 clotheslines. We actually just cut those off, and then all this was covered. There was like a whole bunch of shrubbery here, all along the side here, and all of these dead vines. We cut them all and got rid of all of them. But painting the lower portion of this building made a humongous difference. I think that's one of the biggest differences that I've seen in this property. Just makes it a lot more attractive.